Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to remove video background in Runway ML. Alright, let's begin. First, open your browser and go to Runway ML and sign into your account. If you're new, you can quickly create a free account and log in. Once you're inside, start a new video project so everything stays organized and your original footage remains untouched. Next, click the upload button with the plus icon and select the video you want to edit. For best results, use a clip where the subject is clearly visible, well lit, and not heavily motion blurred. After uploading, wait for the video to load into your workspace or timeline. Now, go to the prompt or instruction box and enter a clear command telling the AI what to do. You should instruct it to isolate the main subject in the foreground, remove the entire background, keep clean and natural edges, and ensure the output has a transparent background. Once your prompt is ready, click Generate. Runway ML will process your video, apply motion tracking, and automatically remove the background. Depending on the length of your clip, this may take a few moments. So that's basically how you can remove video background in Runway ML. That's it for this video. Thanks!